Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you guys my intermittent fasting results. These are absolutely incredible and I am so excited to share these with you guys. I've been intermittent fasting for about 7 days now and the results are just so shocking and crazy. So I'm going to go over everything in this video, all the benefits I've experienced. Has there been weight loss? What exactly has happened? But let's get right into this. Give this video a big thumbs up right now. And make sure you subscribe if you don't already. I create great videos around health, wellness, and spirituality every single week. What exactly is intermittent fasting? For those of you who don't know, it's a very popular diet/lifestyle where people only eat for certain windows of the day consecutively, and then they fast for the rest of those hours. It's very popular in a 24-hour period for people to fast for about 16 hours and then eat for an only 8-hour window. So what exactly have I been doing for my eating windows to feel so amazing, have all these incredible results? So I have been making sure I am done eating no later than 3:00 p.m. and then the next morning I start eating around 8:00 a.m. So essentially this is technically a 17 and 7 window. I've chosen to do that because I just feel so much better doing it and it definitely works for me. A lot of people do intermittent fasting for improved insulin resistance and for weight loss and mental clarity, better sleep, things like this. I wanted to do it because I've gotten the habit lately after having someone stay with me of eating more in the evening and then waking up a little bit more tired. And I don't get great sleep anyway because of my kids. So I was just like, I'm always wanting to feel my absolute best. Weight loss was not my goal here. I did lose some weight. The last video I posted showed you guys what exactly I eat in a day on this intermittent fasting to make me feel so amazing. So I will link that down below. Make sure you guys check that out. And this has just literally been next level, absolutely incredible. I can't stress to you guys enough how amazing this is. So I feel like if you're someone who has problems with maybe portion control or eating too much in the evening, or you just want to see if you can get better mental clarity, any weight loss, better sleep, be more productive, then definitely consider it, definitely research it. But you guys, I just cannot stress enough how good I feel. So I wake up each morning, even if I have a completely interrupted sleep and not very much sleep, I am wide awake and I feel amazing regardless. And that is because I have stopped eating at 3:00 and there's been hours and hours for my body to digest the food before bed. My body is not asleep trying to work on digesting. Instead, my body is asleep resting and repairing, and therefore it's just such a huge difference how you wake up feeling when you stop eating earlier in the day versus if you're just eating through the night. It's a huge, huge difference. And also another benefit to this is they say it's very anti-aging. And they say there's a lot of, they say some of the longest living populations in the world, they do intermittent fasting too. A lot of them will eat the most of their calories through the morning and early afternoon, and then will essentially intermittent fast for the rest of the day until the next day. I will go over the benefits I have personally experienced. There have been so many. So like I said, I didn't go into this for weight loss at all, but I did weigh myself at the beginning and I weighed 124.8. And then I just weighed myself before this video and I weighed 120.8. So I've lost 4 pounds in a week and I feel like it's really flattened out my stomach. When I wake up in the morning, my stomach is so flat and it just feels so good. And my breathing is so much better, especially in the morning. And it just feels like my body loves it and it just feels like this is what I'm meant to be doing. Another thing I've noticed is my workouts have been so much better too. I've had so much more energy in my workouts. So those have been really amazing. Like I said, the sleep has been incredible. My mind has been so much more clear. I mean, my mind and everything, I feel so amazing as it is on the raw vegan diet, but this intermittent fasting is just taking me to the next level. I truly feel like I have double the productivity level as well through the day, which has been really great. I've been getting so much done. I've been attracting more money. Things have just been flowing and going amazing as well. And I would say I feel much more calm as well and less stressed as well on intermittent fasting. They say it can take from a couple weeks to actually a couple months to get used to not eating during those windows and to get over the hunger pains. But I personally, it has not been an issue for me at all. I have not felt deprived. I have not felt hungry. I've actually felt super satisfying. So that might be just because of how I'm eating. And again, I'll link that video down below of what I'm eating. But I feel like just because I've made the decision, made the commitment that I'm not going to eat past 3 p.m., just because mentally I've decided that, and then I get satisfied and full just before 3 p.m. that I'm not thinking about food into the evening like I was before. It's just almost like so much better, my thoughts and my habits around food. I'm not overeating. It's just like, this is what I'm done eating. That's my decision. I'm sticking to it. That's it. And I'm able to focus on other things. It's been amazing. It's been so much easier too with preparing my family's meals in the evening that I'm already done eating at 3 and I can just tend to them and care for them and worry about their needs as well. And I find this study super interesting that people who eat the same number of food and the same number of calories, they display more weight loss when they stop eating earlier in the day and do intermittent fasting versus if they eat later in the day, when it's the exact same food, the exact same calories. So those results say it all. And I am just a big fan of this now. I'm considering doing 30 days. I might even do 1 year. I don't know. I feel so good. So if I do 30 days, you guys want to see a video, comment down below. Let me know. I'll definitely do it as well. But yeah, I can't just recommend this enough. Give this a shot. It's amazing, even if it's only for a couple days. I feel great. I feel happier, more energized, and just absolutely incredible. If you guys have any more questions about the intermittent fasting, then comment them down below. I'm happy to answer them for you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.